Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the happy mail that I've received from LINOU'S. These are the new collections that they've released recently. First, we have the February Creative Bundle. The set includes this pretty notepad, a foiled sticker sheet, this cute paper clip, a small drop-shaped paper clip, two decorative cards, these cards are also available separately from the bundle as a set of 10, 5 of each design. And then we have some cute foiled die cuts. Recently, they have also released the foiled version of some of their past sticker sheets. Next, this is their new March 2021 collection that matches the March 2021 Coco Daisy kit. Besides some sticker sheets, they also have the matching notepad in this collection. There are also a few foiled sticker sheets available in this collection. That's it. I put the link to their shop and my discount code in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.